PolarSeal Gem is a wearable, personal thermostat. The PolarSeal Gem gives you instant cooling or instant heat at the touch of a button. The Gem's neck module incorporates state-of-the-art thermoelectric semiconductors. This miniaturized system is the result of 2 years of research and development. The neck module creates the desired cooling or heating that is then spread throughout the user's body. From the small control module, users can easily switch between the cooling or heating modes, which make the PolarSeal Gem a product for all seasons. Compact, lightweight, and discreet, the Gem features a stealth mode whereby the main button lighting on the control device is turned off while the device continues to cool or heat you. The cooling plus heating module and the control module are linked together thanks to the Gem's magnetic connector cables, which feature gold-plated tips and allow users to put on or take apart their Gem in seconds and break down the device into highly portable, pocket-sized modules. The Gem is a wearable device so revolutionary, so useful, so liberating, it will change the way you experience heat or cold. We designed the PolarSeal Gem so that no one would ever have to feel too hot or too cold again, so that anyone can enjoy the great outdoors and feel comfortable all year round. PolarSeal, comfort in adventure.
Modern home security means flexibility. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro 6-in-1 Smart Deadbolt has features like 360-degree live fingerprint ID, phoneless entry for the ultimate flexibility, and keyless features like auto lock and auto unlock for when your hands are full. An anti-peep touchscreen that allows you to enter a security code embedded in a random group of numbers. The U-Bolt Pro is modern home security. A smart deadbolt built to make everyday life easier. Give visitors, like Airbnb guests, temporary access codes. And with the ULTRALOQ Bridge Wi-Fi adapter, you can control it all remotely on the app. Receive notifications when your child gets home from school. Distribute e-keys to your friends and family. And the app lets you manage and view logs of who has entered. The ULTRALOQ U-Bolt Pro is a simple and safe security solution. Your fingerprint is your key that cannot be copied, stolen, or forgotten. Dual data encryption with a coprocessor and dynamic key make every single data transfer secure. So you don't need to worry about someone hacking your door. And this peace of mind takes just minutes to install. With U-Bolt Pro, you will never get locked out or need a locksmith Just use a backup key or an external battery if you missed the alerts. Bridget IFTTT integration syncs your U-Bolt Pro with the rest of your smart home. And use voice commands with your smart speaker.
Alexa, lock the front door.
U-Bolt Pro, the ultimate 6-in-1 smart deadbolt. Pre-order now on Indiegogo.